Everybody, excuse the messy hair, but look, my bird messing with my hair. His name is Raymond. He's a sun conure, and he doesn't understand cameras very well. You can see him staring into it sometimes. He's so cute, isn't he? Ray Ray. He gives kisses too. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. Come on. See? He gives kisses. And he dances. Ray Ray dance. Ray Ray dance. Come on, dance. Raymond, dance. Come on. Do it for the camera. Ray, dance. You want to dance like this then? Yeah, I don't even know. He usually dances. I don't know what's wrong. Is it my hair? Is it my hair all up in your business? I was gonna say junk, but Ray Ray dance. Ray, come on, dance. Alright, maybe he won't dance. Fine. He gives kisses, sometimes he talks, sometimes he squeaks. Or squawks. He likes messing with your shirts and everything too. He likes messing with everything. Come on, Ray Ray, talk. Talk, Ray Ray. Oh, that's... yeah. This is a dance. He's so cute. You gonna dance with yourself? Yeah, in the camera? Alright. Alright. Thanks, guys. I just want to show you my birdie. I have two others. Maybe I'll show you them later. Oh, yeah? Alright. Thanks, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and suggest what you want me to do next. Bye.